kind of stuff. There's I was reading about an economics professor who used it in his class. It wasn't Twitter per se. He actually used SMS, texting, but as Twitter's, you go back to the origins of Twitter, and it is in texting. That's where it came from. The 140 characters is the 160 character text length minus a 20 characters for a username, and so that's where. And it was eventually moved to the web rather than just a text-based one. But anyway, he does some interesting simulations where he asks students to kind of do these sort of economic games, and they'll text in how much they're willing to put, how much money they'll be willing to give someone or receive from someone, bidding on certain things, and then he's got a server that those texts go to and automatically give him back kind of the averages of what people said they were willing to do. And so you could do the same thing with Twitter as opposed to texting. It's the same kind of idea.
And just one other thought is, a lot of times when you ask, as a teacher, teachers have a hard time with just the ratio. It never works out so well. You're one teacher and you usually have like 30 plus students. So it never works out real well to get the one-on-one kinds of interactions. But with something like this, instead of just saying, Johnny in the back, could you answer this question, and everyone else disengages, you can say, would everyone jump on Twitter and send me your answer. And then the teacher can refresh the page, scroll down, and see all these answers. So again, in a very general way, you have a way to interact with your whole class instead of just saying, I'll take 2 or 3 students at random. Because that, I don't know about you, but that never worked out so well for me. Okay, well, thanks for listening, and vote. Don't forget to vote. Big10alliance.org. That's the